My name is Nicki. I'm an English makeup artist and I live with Carlo and our daughter Sky in Positano, Italy. Our house is far from the road but surrounded by fruit trees and olive groves, and we grow our own food. We'll show you what it's really like to live on the Amalfi Coast. Subscribe and welcome to the Positano Diaries. Praiano is situated on the Amalfi Coast, halfway between Positano and Amalfi, and it's the quieter town of the three with just over 2,000 residents. The small main beach is called La Praia and has a selection of characteristic seaside restaurants and a cliffside path for romantic walks. There are plenty of restaurants and cafes around town, a beautiful church square, and access to hiking routes from the higher parts of town. I'm in Praiano and I'm just having a little walk around and I found an open door. Now I've heard about this place before, La Divina. It's a beautiful little B&B here in Praiano and the door's open. Should we go and have a look? Let's go and see. The entrance stairs are made from a volcanic marble from Vesuvius. Nobody here. Wow, isn't it pretty? What a light. Let's have a look around. This must be the entrance hall. The ceramics that you see around in every room are Solomene and made in Vietri del Mare, the other side of the Amalfi Coast. The chandeliers are made from Murano crystals from Venice and crafted by local artisans. This must be one of the bedrooms. Let's have a look. Wow. It's lovely. The beds are big and comfortable. They're all 2 meters long and they have hypoallergenic memory foam mattresses which are really comfortable for a great night's sleep. What are you doing here?
I'm hiding.
Do you want to show me around?
Yes, for sure.
Let's have a look outside. Oh, the sea matches the balcony. It's the same colour. It's a little bit cloudy today, but this is the view. An amazing view. All Praiano has sea views like this. Stunning. This is a nice sized balcony as well. So what are you doing here?
Today is my birthday.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, as you know. And this is a little B&B from a friend of mine, Lucia. And as we are preparing our little B&B up in Praiano, I was getting some ideas and checking with her about furniture. Yes, this was my day.
Well, very good inspiration here. Let's have a look at the other rooms. It's just a small B&B. There's just 3 rooms in here. And this is the next one. The bathrooms are designed by the architect Gio Ponti and have everything you could possibly need, including slippers and a beach bag for you to use while you are staying.
Next beautiful balcony.
Try not to fall as I walk out the door. Let's check that sea view again. Spoil the neighbours. Right.
Nicki, you remember this These are huge egg cups, the ones from Casa Bottega, Lenny and Rosie love. You remember?
They are. Oh wow, they're even dinosaur egg cups.
There's another one.
Come on, let's go see. Oh, there's a kitchen.
Beautiful.
This must be where breakfast is prepared.
Take a look at the bathroom. Stunning. Nicki, there's a garden.
Wow. Ooh. Amazing. Nice and shady. How sweet. This is the countryside room. It's got more of a rural feel to it. Lucia and her staff love to take care of their guests, and there's always somebody on hand to help you out with any queries, give you ideas of where to go, where to eat, and what to see. So this is La Divina in Praiano. If you want to come and stay on the Amalfi Coast and you want somewhere less busy and crowded than Positano, Praiano is the place to be. And this is the B&B to stay in because it is clean, it is beautiful, it is peaceful, and it has amazing views. And you will be treated very well here. Oh, one more thing I have to show. Each bathroom has one of these beautiful bags in, and you have some disposable slippers, and you can use them as beach bags when you go down to the beach. And you also get given one of these beach bags, which you can take home with you, which are great for shopping as well, actually. These are really good shopping bags and comfortable to wear on your shoulders. I hope you have enjoyed this little quick tour of La Divina in Praiano. I'm hoping to do a few more of these little tours of places to stay in, villas, hotels, B&Bs, whoever will let me come in and do it. I think it's fun, it's nice to see inside these places, and it's nice to have more of an idea of what it looks like where you might be considering staying. And of course it helps them out too. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Praiano is well connected to the rest of the coastal towns by bus and boat. From the 1st to the 4th of August, the Festival of San Domenico is celebrated and has been for over 400 years. Every balcony, terrace and piazza will be lit with candles, and the whole piazza will be lit with 3,000 tiny candles. It's a sight to be seen. The local artist Paolo Sandulli has a studio in a nearby tower and welcomes visitors. You can just drop by and say hello. The Africana Nightclub is one of the biggest on the Amalfi Coast. It's situated inside an enormous sea cave. There's glass panels and you can see down to the sea, and in various little corners tucked away there's all sorts of blowholes and entrances down to the sea, and it's got to be seen. There is a small Limoncello Factory in the centre of Praiano where you can watch the bottles being produced, and Praiano also has its own traditional dish, tortoni e patate alla prayanese, which you can try in any of the seaside restaurants.